Hello and welcome to my nail art tutorial. This tutorial has been created by me and my YouTube channel is at the Butterfly 2018. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can design Christmas designs in a very easy and simple way. For this design, I'll be using the following colors. I'll be using the purple color, I'll be using the white color, and also some silver glitter. To start with this Christmas design, I will paint my nails with the purple color, the purple nail polish. Just like that. If you love nail art tutorials, please make sure to like, share and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this year I'll be posting different designs for Christmas, easy and simple designs. So even if you have any art skills or if you don't have any art skills, you can still design something for this Christmas. This Christmas I've decided to do something different. And I chose a different color rather than using the red and the green. I decided to go with a totally different color, which is the purple and white. And I'll show you how you can design something fast, something simple. Whether you have short nails or long nails, you can still design it. Then all I'm doing is just coloring my nail with the basic nail color, which is the purple. I've got to paint the last one. Now I'll leave it to dry. This nail color is a matte nail color and it's by My Polish. The name of this nail polish is at the back. And this is from the Science collection from My Polish nail polishes. This is the name of the color and this is the close image of the nail polish. It's purple and it has like fine glitter. You can see it. This nail polish is matte. it's matte nail polish, but you can also, I mean, if you like it to be glossy, you can add the top coat to it. It's a very beautiful color. And now the nail polish dried, I'll go ahead with drawing the first design. For this, I'll be using the white nail polish. And I'll be using the dotting tool. And I will draw a box in this finger, on this nail. All I will do is I'll just draw the box just like that, draw a line, and then another line, as you can see, line, line, and then a box. Box, and then I will add like a ribbon on top of that box, just like that. And then something like that. This is one design. And then I'll go ahead with the glitter. I'll be using this nail polish by Nicole Diary, and this is the glitter name at the back. If you can see it. So all I will do is I will add a bit of glitter for the box. Just like that, I'll fill the box with the glitter, and I will leave it to dry. As you can see, it's already taking shape. So easy and so fast. If you have short nails or long nails, you can design this Christmas box using the purple, white and silver glitter. This is the glitter up close. So beautiful, and it goes and it matches also the purple nail polish. I think these colors are stunning together. Also the purple, you can see that it has glitter, fine glitter. So this is one design, and then I will design I'll draw lines on this nail. And for this I'll be using this brush, the thin line brush. And this is the design for this nail. All I will do is just drawing lines. This. Then you can go ahead from the other side. Draw the lines. And this is the second design. This is the second design for the second line. Oh, realize that I smudged the box, so I'll go ahead and fix it. Again, I'll be using the dotting tool just to fix the box. And this is the first design for the Christmas season. I hope you like it. This year I decided to do different designs and using different colors. And for the first design I decided to go with the purple. So the base color will be the purple color, which is this one. And if you want more details about the nail polishes I've used and the tools I've used, you can check the description box. And you'll find all the details and all the information about the products I've used today for this nail art tutorial for the Christmas. This is the first one. Let me know in the comments what you think about this design. And also, if you like it, if this design inspired you to create this nail art this Christmas, please make sure to tag me in your video, in your post. And also, if you like it, please give it like, share, and also follow my YouTube channel and all my other social media accounts. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you follow my page because I'll be posting another Christmas design very soon.